Okay, so these are dupes, okay? These brushes, the young lady from here who's so sweet, she had said that she had brought these brushes from her brush from Amazon, and I think it was like $16. So this is a dupe, okay? Really, really cute. Dollar Tree is okay with me, I must say, okay? Oh, child. And then they have some more brushes and stuff like that. They have the hair pins over here, and I had just received a message, an email, okay? It's like this thing that I have that comes up to let me know what stores, like Dollar Tree, is cheaper than certain stores. So these hair clips right here, right? These are cheaper than Walmart. All right, and it's 14 pieces for $1.25. Not bad at all, and they cute. Okay, different styles, different colors. Well, same style but different colors. Really, really cute. Okay, so they have this sheer perfume, chill. Okay, so I tell you guys all the time, right? If you really want to get organized, there's no excuse, right? Come in at Dollar Tree because they have all these multi-color baskets, all for $1.25, which are really, really cute, fashionable. I like this. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So today we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have inside. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. If not, do understand and get your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let's go.
Get messy.
Okay. So first up, they have these witch hats right here that says boo. Okay. Look like they have some more ornaments for the Christmas. Honey, this got me thinking Christmas trees. More ornaments for the Halloween trees, okay? And over here, they have the skeleton foot. Okay, so this is so, so cute. These are treat bags, okay? And 20 comes in a pack, which is really, really good. They also have the 4-piece gift bags with ties, really, really good. They also have the creepy cloth, okay? Nice. These witch hats are so, so cute right here, okay? They also have the little trays that goes with the witch hats. Very, very nice. And I showed you guys this last time, the tumbler with the straws. Okay, the skull heads. I had got my children 2 of these last time. These are really, really cute, along with the stemless glass. Okay, really, really nice. Okay, so they have some more candy tote, these little bags right here, which are cute. Oh, look at this one. Cool goals. Okay. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Let me know in the comments, okay? Then they also have these lawn stakes right here, which are really, really cute. Look at this with the bag and the spider. Really, really cute. They also had put some more decor out here. Trick or Treat Street, Pumpkin Patch, okay, Boo Boulevard. So, so cute. Okay, Cemetery Circle. Nice. Okay, so I'm definitely feeling these bags right here. Eat sweets and be spooky. Okay, spooky vibes only. Candy tote, really, really cute. Trick or treat. And look at the pumpkin bags. Oh my goodness. And the ghost bag, the pumpkin, and the cat. Nice. Okay, and they also have this stake right here. This decor, oh, yard stake. Okay, that says danger. Okay, so I told you guys last time about the 2-tiered decorative trays. Okay, so they have more that came into stock. These are really, really cute. And I'm trying to see where else I was at. Oh, I was at Aldi. Okay, and they also has 2-tiered decorative trays, but theirs was way more than $5. Okay. Dollar Tree also had this candy corn garland. I tell you guys all the time that candy corn is like my favorite. Okay, family, so they also brought some new plush toys over here. Okay, and these are $5, but they are super duper cute. So cute. Really, really nice. Okay, really nice. Okay, so this is very interesting. Okay, so these color changing LED bulbs, really cute. Okay, and I showed you guys last time this right here. Okay, the flower LED lights that comes in different colors, very cute. Okay, so we've been through this already with the brushes, the makeup brushes. I absolutely love the way these brushes looked. Okay, they are so cute. And then they have also the brow brush. These are really cute. Okay, so they also have this massager for your face. I'm trying to see if they are going to bring the face rollers here, but I haven't seen them here yet. But this is really cute for $1.25, honey. You could do your whole makeup, wardrobe, dresser, and everything because the stuff that they have here is really inexpensive. And let me know in the comments if you guys, I kept saying I was going to try the mascara. Matter of fact, I'm going to buy this mascara right here. But I see let me see the dramatic black one, and I'm trying to see which one, or maybe the dramatic black I get. Okay, so they have these Pond's makeup remover facial wipes. What? Okay, oh my goodness. So it's 10 wipes that comes in a pack for $1.25. Not bad at all. Okay, and I showed you guys last time the moisturizing lotion, the Dermasil toner, okay, and the oil-free daily face cream. All right, and then they also have the Dermasil shampoo, petroleum jelly skin softener. Okay, family, so I showed you the guys the Jergens before. This is a still deal for $1.25. Okay, cheaper than if you was to go to Target or Walmart for this travel size lotion. Really good. Okay, so this 3-color eyeshadow is cute. Okay, LA colors. These are really cute. I like these. Okay, very nice. Okay, so these are really cute. Popping toothbrushes. Okay, the little elephant head, really nice for $1.25. Oh, and they have some more, and these are called poppin'. Okay, toothbrushes. All right, really nice. Okay, so Dollar Tree also have these trays right here. Really cute. They come in, I think, 3 different colors: the turquoise, and then the green, light green, and then they also have blue. Really cute. Okay, so this home decor, I absolutely love this. Okay, welcome, bless. Okay, welcome to our home. Really cute. All right, so I showed you guys these glasses right here. Okay, these are really cute. I absolutely love these. $1.25, honey, is not bad at all. Okay, so I'm gonna get my children some ramen. Okay, and these cups of noodles right here. Okay, so I told you guys last time that I was going to get one of these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the wooden foot files. Okay, it looks cute. All right, family, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Okay, so Dollar Tree have these burlap leaves right here. Also these sunflowers and these maple leaves, really cute. I had seen someone on YouTube who had made like a design out of the maple leaves, really cute. Okay, these are so cute.